today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this belt buckle, or at least the belt for it. I already had the buckle, but I just needed a belt for it to hook in. So the tools you're going to need are an awl, or a punch, whatever you want to call it, hammer, snaps, like snapper bits, so there's the one side, and then the other side, so it snaps into them. The die and anvil for it, and this is just like the back of the box, whatever that came in. And then if you're going to use a drill for it, you need drill bits and drill. The size drill bit I used was, it's about this big. It was 3/16, but it doesn't have to be, it's not going to be exact. That's if you use them. And then a belt, obviously. This is what was on it originally, and you just kind of want to make sure that wherever the belt goes through, if it fits through the loop in the buckle, make sure it can fit twice through, so you can attach it to the belt and then have the other end come out, just to make sure, whatever. So this belt was a Levi Strauss. But anyway, this was sewed together. You can see where it was originally sewed, and then so I just took my knife, I cut that out. So I go take this out, and then what I did was I folded over on the same line, and then I just march. I got one of these. I used a hole in the middle of it. I set it down, and I used the awl to mark the spots to put the holes in it. Then I got the holes in both sides here. Then I just held it down and used the awl, mark through those holes to this side, and then I just punched the holes through the awl with the awl, and then drilled them out bigger with the drill bits. Oh, and one more thing. So just make sure the width of the belt fits through here, because when I made this, I wasn't really thinking a whole lot. I was just trying to put it this and this. So it's just, this was 2 inches by 4 inches, I believe, and it's just a nail with break rod in the head, and then another nail. I just cut off the head and the pointy end, whatever you want to call it, and just bent it. But so I had a friend from my school weld it up, and so it's not the best weld, so I had to file out a bunch of the weld inside, but it fits. And so the only way it fits is I had to cut off this edge right here, and it wasn't much, but if I didn't do it, both edges would be rubbing, and with the double thickness, it wouldn't let it fit, so I had to do it anyway. So when putting the rivets on, just make sure you have the correct sides and correct pieces and all that. Just 4 different pieces, I believe, yeah. These are Drits. I don't know, there's like $6 at Walmart. It should show the order of on the back of the box, container, whatever. But so the way I did it, I had these side on the inside, and then this on the outside. So it was like, and I just did the last 2 first. So all you do is put it in the anvil, correct side, put the belt over, put the other end on, get the die, make sure you have the right end. I almost didn't. I almost hit it from this side. And then you just hammer it down, and then just line it up, put the other side, make sure it fits. Then flip the die over, because it's 2 different sides. There's one is flat and one has a little disc in it for this. And then, but so there's a problem when I did it. It's already pretty thin, but I don't think these were meant specifically for leather. So what I had to do was I took this drill bit, and I kind of just sat there just going like this on both ends of the hole, just to, like, I guess make it a little smaller or thinner, so that way this little piece, the tab, could reach through it and then hook onto here. And that's how you make the belt for the buckle. And if you want, you can still just undo the snaps and put on the original buckle. And yeah, but so anyway, all the problems I was telling you about, if you get like a actual like factory made belt buckle, you should be good. or if you make it properly, if you're making your own. And I'm not done with this. I'm still gonna add some more stuff to it, but for now I think I'm just gonna leave it with the brushed finish. Anyway, have a good day.